59 south.
Ain't even called me back. But shit. True. Like, where the supervisor at? He was like, they ain't got nothing to do with the supervisor. I'm like, you still can transfer me to them so I can tell them about it, what's going on. He was like, sure, all you gotta do is send it in. And I send it them, they'll approve it. You'll be on the way to Omaha. You'll get there by Monday. He's like, so they see you to New Jersey, get something out of the way.
Turn right on ramp to I-70
like,
west.
Tell them you got approved to go to Omaha, so they gotta see you out there.
Alright, bet. It's on the floor then.
Huh?
It says on the floor then, shit.
What's up? Feel me?
Warning, approaching a high-risk rollover
All that other
area.
stuff.
Please proceed with caution.
It's out of there.
Turn right on ramp to I-70 west.
Now it's time for the big leagues.
Stand on business.
Standing on business. Coming in, standing on this shit.
Said OV.
Huh?
Said OV.
He didn't even think it was coming today like this, did he?
Huh?
He didn't even know it was coming like this today. I know he was like, nah, like that.
Yeah.
What's up? I'm on grind mode now. I know what's going on. Sure as old. He gonna be hitting it.
85.5 miles ahead. Keep left on I-57
Now,
south.
sure, one thing I really gotta say is, once you start booking these lows and stuff, you gotta let me know and stuff where you can fill up and stuff at. We ain't gotta go to pilot the loves no more. Just when I get a shower or something. Like, save money for both of us. Really just go to like the mom and pops, the ones that's cheap gas. We can fill up there now. So we ain't gotta go where they tell us to go to.
Bet.
So we got time to talk about it. Talk about everything before we get done. See if everything line up, what they telling us about the truck.
Boy, caught him in Kenworth. Boy, caught him in Kenworth.
All night spinning, with permission sitting in the church trying to get rich. In the church trying to get rich.
And I'm gonna sign this paperwork shit. They're coming that bit with me.
Bet. Run up a certain amount. So,
Facts. Just cheese, cheddar, Benjamin. Let me get to it. Get no more hard appointments and all this other stuff. I don't want that. I'm going.
what's good, you guys? It is now 1:35 a.m. I believe we're in Tennessee right now. No, we actually, we're in Tennessee by Memphis. So as you can see, there is nobody here, right? So they sent me to drop this petty load off, which is like 20. It took me 40 minutes to get here, which is nothing, doing teams, right? But they always complain about how we don't run and stuff like that. We're always late. But it's the BS we run into. There's nobody here. I've been for about an hour now. And not even just that, we had, like earlier today, when my teammate was driving, they said that trailer was overweight. And they wanted us to take it to a damn scale to get it weighed. But like, as you can see, there is nobody here. Let me just confirm I'm in the right spot. It's just for proof. Get what I'm saying? I don't want to hear no BS. They say Appleton Group. Receiving Appleton, y'all see it, right? Y'all see it, right? Just so you guys know, like, this is just proof right here. So they won't try to accuse me of anything. You know how the companies be sometimes. It's hilarious. I only have about approximately 3 hours, probably less than that, to drive, and I'm just wasting time here for this petty load. But I'm not really complaining because Monday we gotta be in Nebraska to pick up the new truck. You feel me? Goodbye, Pete. I'm gonna let y'all know more on that when that time comes. But for now, man, y'all see what I'm going through, right? 1:40 in the morning. Feel like it's about to rain. Bonders. There's no way to even get in there. Call these guys.
Thank you for calling the operations team. At
Not gonna lie, low-key feel good out here.
For training and quality assurance purposes.
I'm
your
tired,
call
but
may
I'm
be
not
monitored.
tired. Yes, hello?
Warner, this is...
So I've been at the drop location for about an hour now. It's still empty all around me. Like even the building across the street is empty. The one next to it is empty. And I know you said in the messages I have the okay to drop the trailer, but what about the paperwork and all that good stuff? Am I supposed to pop the trailer? I mean the seal? Do I just leave it here? Do I back it into a specific door?
Okay. Yeah. I mean, when I reached out to customer service, they said we could just drop it. They didn't really say anything about paperwork or something. Not even a guard has shown up, right?
There's literally nobody here, but the gate is open, but everything else is closed. Like, do it close on the weekends?
Okay, let me call them again. Just double checking that about not getting paperwork or anything, and I'll let you know because yeah, it would be better if we have their confirmation on being able to literally just drop without nobody being there.
And okay, if you do that, can you just make sure they let you know what door am I supposed to back into? Cause it's nothing but doors over here.
Sorry, that last part cut off. Can you say it again, please?
Can you ask them what door am I supposed to back into? Cause it's nothing but doors over here. Like it's literally not like a drop yard or anything where I can just leave the trailer.
Okay. All right. Actually, about that doors, I have some instructions here. I'm gonna copy them and paste them on a message so you can take a look. But let me ask him about the paperwork thing, okay?
Wait, so the instructions say to back into a door and pop the seal?
Sorry, the sound is cutting off.
So in the instructions that you just said, it says to back into a specific door and drop the and pop the seal. All right, then I guess I'll just back into door 11.
Door 11. Okay. All right, then I'll let CSM know.
All right, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Oh man, I don't know how I'm gonna open this if I don't have no bolt cutters. If it ain't one thing, man, it's always another. I tell you. Yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna open this cell right here, man. Hey, what the fuck? Ay. It's hilarious. Bullshit. Now I gotta send a message to the tablets. Stay in. Then on top of that, right, the damn lander get messed up. Whoever had the trailer before us, they messed it. Like the thing is bent, and it won't go all the way down. But you know, I'm always find a way to make it happen. Look how perfect that boy parked, man. Yeah, you feel? Ain't no way. See, it won't even get on all the way, so we gotta make it work, man. Gotta make it work. Struggle be real. Well, falling off. Almost there. We're almost there. And it's weird, right? How that gate is open, but everything else is not. Like, damn. That's the guard is dipped off somewhere. Who knows? Put my cords out of here, man. I can get out of there. It's a little dark, I know. I didn't turn on the white light. Life of a trucker, man. Gotta love it, huh? Gotta love it. This is right here. Look at that. 3 seconds. Now all you do is press that yellow one, put it in drive. Way left. See what I mean? Like, how is this door open? Gate is open. Is it parking over there? If it is. I guess that concludes my night. Unless they send me another load. I got about like 2 hours. I could, you feel me? Still drive. Other than that, I'm just about chill. Nothing crazy. But yeah. Get some light in here for you guys. Man, I'm gonna catch y'all later. See what they gonna do. Let's get some rest.